Welcome to video number 4 in creating a Kettlewell frictionless mouthpiece slider for a Seydel Saxony, and of course this will allow the player to rest their lip gently on the slider and the slider will go left and right. We're shaping it now in what I call gross shaping, G-R-O-S-S, which is the big stuff, big cuts. This one's been marked here. That's approximately the shape that will have to be cut into the underside. I'd like to get a clean side over here to work on, so I think I'm going to use the bench grinder over here to grind this off there. And then I'm going to start, I'll probably mark the other side just like I did this side, and then I'll dig this channel out. The grinding tool for some of the finer grinding will be a Dremel with this shape. I would have used this one, but it's a little bit too big for the shape I'm cutting, and I'm hesitant to try and work with a stone that's a little bit too big. In other words, this shape is just a hair bigger than the mouthpiece, so it's not a great choice to be grinding with. It might take off too much. I'll let you see the work, but I can't talk to you much because I'll have this safety gear on. And you're working with particulate plastics. You don't want to breathe them in. You don't want to breathe the fumes, and you don't want the plastics either. So these are organic cartridges that have charcoal in them, and they'll knock out any of the chemicals too. You also, of course, want to have eye protection, but this full face. I'm going to get it tight enough to, okay, a lot. I take gloves. And we'll come over here at the bench grinder. I just put a new stone on it. So come over here and see if I can't get you an angle. Right on the work here. Looking good. Here we go. So the first thing is, let's get rid of that nubbin and get a shape that's closer to where I want to work. Okay, now I have a shape that's as wide as the slider will be, but I have to start getting involved now in grinding out the underside here. The first step is to mark it over on this side as well, just like I did here, so I know, where about am I headed here. Probably could take the safety gear off right now, but I'm not going to do that. The harp came to about halfway mark here. You want to be consistent on the other side. About the halfway mark. Okay. Now, our next task, let's see how we're doing on time here. Okay. I think we'll do another video on this next part.